So in this lesson, we'll be learning about the if function. And I've got a very simple example over here. I've got some names and I have a code next to each name which indicates whether that person is a male or a female. And we'll be using an if statement over here to work out whether that code is therefore a boy or a girl. Now the if statement is a little bit limited in that it can only decide between two things. So something like male and female is perfect. We know from when we did databases that this is a Boolean value. So we can make a decision between whether this is a male or a female because there are only two different possibilities. And what my if function is going to do is going to say, if it's the one thing, then do something. So in this case, if it is M, then type the word boy, and if it is not M, then type the word girl. So we can test for it being something or it not being something. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. I'm going to put an equals in there, and we are going to use the statement if, and you can see as normal, we get the prompt coming up underneath, and again, we get a prompt to tell us what needs to be in that if statement. So we need a logical test. Our logical test is going to be, is whatever is in B2 equal to the letter M, the capital letter M? If it is, then the value, if it is true, if it is an M, should be the word boy. And the value, if it is not the letter M, in other words, if our test is false, will be the word girl. So it's going to look like this. Inside my bracket, I'm going to put if B2 is equal to the letter M. And you can see that I use double quotation marks around the M. The M has to be a capital M. A capital M and a small m are often treated by computers as different things, or a capital of any letter and the small letter or the lowercase letter will be different things when they are stored inside the computer. So we have to make sure that we're getting the capitalization right. So the value, if true, I want it to type the word boy. So if we do indeed have an M in B2, then it should say the word boy. And if we don't have a value in M2 that is equal to M, then we are going to type the word girl. So that is a simple if statement. It says if B2 is equal to the letter M, then type the word boy, otherwise type the word girl. And you can see that we indeed have boy over there. Now, because we have made a reference to B2 over there, and it is a relative reference, we can now copy this formula down, and this formula will then change. So this one's looking at B3. Is that equal to M? And in this case, it's not equal to M, it's equal to F. So it won't print the word boy, it will in fact print the word girl. This one, B4, is that equal to M? Yes, it is. B5 is equal to M, so we get the word boy appearing there. B6 is not equal to M, so again we get the word girl, and B7 is equal to M, so we get the word boy appearing.